All of these prompts, the entire document that you see in front is something you would be receiving after this session. We would be rolling a feedback form in the chat section. So you guys can fill out the feedback form and get access to all of these materials that I've been showcasing. Alternatively, what you can also do is we keep coming up with all of these workshops on Cloud Code, on Databricks, on Snowflake. All of these are done by our SMEs, the SMEs at Enqurious. And if you find them useful, if you found this session useful and are interested in further workshops, then our socials are available in the chat section. You guys can reach out to us on LinkedIn. You can reach out to us on Instagram. On You can check our websites as well, our YouTube channel. We do a lot of things. We'll do a lot of workshops. We do a lot of podcasts. Then from time to time, we upload content as well on our YouTube, which you can learn from. So please make sure that you go through them. And our SMEs often write blogs as well. So if you are interested in learning more about all of these things, then please make sure that you follow us and do make sure that you guys check out our website as well, which is enqurious.com. Here, if you go, you would be able to find all of our offerings. You would be able to find all our blogs, all our case studies, all our expert talks. If you are somebody who is interested in advancing your career, looking at leadership roles, aspiring to be a CTO, a data architect, or an industry leader someday, then you guys can go ahead and check these. We have more offerings on our YouTube as well, so make sure you guys check them out as well. If you have any questions related to the current workshop, I'm happy to answer them as well. So the feedback form is available to you in the chat section along with our different socials. Please make sure that you guys check us out and you guys fill the feedback form. Once you guys fill the feedback form, you will get access to all the artifacts that we have been showcasing. If you have any questions, please ask. If not, then it was fun hosting you. Thank you for patiently listening to me. All right, then. Looks like we don't have any questions. Please make sure you guys fill the feedback form to get access to the artifacts that have been showcased. And thank you for joining in. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.